Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this portable SSD drive for your cell phone that this brand sent to me for the video. And I can just believe how tiny but how mighty this thing is. It is 256 gigabytes and SSD solid state drive, so meaning that's gonna be super fast, faster than a hard drive for sure. And also speed, actually it writes at 460 megabytes per second, and it has an indicator that the files are transferring. So the good thing about this one that is how compact it is. Look at how tiny it is, just the palm of my hand. Just take a look at how compact this is. And this one, it is 256 gigabytes, but also it comes with a USB-C cable to USB-C for data transfer on your phone. But you can actually use this one also for your computer because it has a USB-A as well, or you can actually use it for your laptop as well. So it is super tiny but mighty. Let's take a closer look. So then once that we have the USB-C connected in one end and we have kind of like removed this USB-A from the way, and we can just put the USB-C back again, you're gonna see that this one right away, you're gonna see a blue light over here and it says USB is now available. So what's gonna happen is that we're gonna have this one right away just here to transfer everything we need. So I'm gonna just grab this image over here, super nice and easy, and I'm gonna just move it to, and it's gonna tell me either internal storage or actually the SSD. So what I'm gonna do is it's gonna actually ask me if I want to add a new folder or something. So I have one that is called test, and then I'm gonna just move it in here. That's it. It says one file move. That's everything we have to do. And you can see how easy this one is. You can see the little blue light over there, meaning that it's ready to transfer. And of course, you're gonna actually have that super fast. And you can do music, documents, images, videos, whatever you have in your phone, just with the comfort of having this one accessible, just to put it in your purse, in your pocket, in your backpack, whatever you wanna go, because this one is super compact. Easy to work with, super fast, and of course, it just works with the USB-C as well as USB-A. I like it, and then I do recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.